Pete Zielinski, Additive Manufacturing Media. Collins Aerospace has opened an additive manufacturing production facility in Monroe, North Carolina. That's where I'm at right now. Here's some examples of the kinds of parts being produced here. This bracket, redesigned for additive manufacturing, made in aluminum, began by 3D printing the original to establish a baseline before the additive redesign. Much more complex part in titanium, this valve housing. Significant amount of geometric complexity. Part of the reason for this facility is control over intellectual property, confidential information. There is a lot of IP in the design of a component like this, and it argues for Collins Aerospace to keep control over the additive manufacturing. But that make or buy choice related to IP is complicated. Even something like the bracket that we just saw, the processing strategy might lead to confidential IP that it's also in Collins' interest to hold on to. The company has additive manufacturing suppliers and a supply chain, but as it advances with additive manufacturing for component production, vertical integration is becoming a necessary component of its strategy.